Do you feel like video is one more thing you should be doing, but never actually get? Here's the truth. You don't need to be a full-time content creator. You just need a system that fits your business. When I first tried video, it was overwhelming, even for me. Cameras, lights, editing, and a lot of pressure to be perfect. But once I stopped trying to do YouTube the way everyone else was doing it and started building it around my strategy, that's when it clicked for me. Now I batch content once or twice a month, record with a plan, and repurpose clips across YouTube, Reels, and more, all without burning out. If video feels like too much, here's how I make it manageable. First, I start with what you already say to clients. Turn your most asked questions into quick talking points. Number 2, choose your primary platform, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, whichever, pick one, and let that guide your format. 3, use batching and templates. I film in blocks, reuse outlines, and stick to simple formats like 3 tips or 1 quick lesson. Number 4, tie it into your every video connects back to what I'm teaching, promoting, or solving. So it's strategic, not just random. I'm here to share with you that video doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be intentional. Build a workflow that fits your business and let video work for you even when you're off the clock.